This is how I'm gonna start out the vlog, with you on a screen and nobody able to hear you. Alright, so Apollo and I, we're about to send it on a late night mission up to Sterling Pond. It's gonna be lit. Here we go. Phew. And now I got the tensile on my back. Oh, it's gonna be fucking horrible. We've made it. Woo. Yeah, so we're here in the shelter. Pretty cold, but it's not too bad. Got the tensile all set up. It's gonna be a good night of sleep. Alright, so it's the next morning. Paul and I are already out of the shelter because he has to make it back in time for class. We're stopping and taking a few photos right now. Hopefully we make it down okay. I am, however, gonna keep my camera in my bag just because I don't want to fall. And the training outside. And yeah. Peace. Yo, Paul, what are we doing then?
We're about to try to send it up there. Or
up there, where are we?
We're at Smugs.
Yeah, that's right.
And we're gonna send it up Sterling.
Anywho, me, Apollo, Joe, and Tyler, we're all out here. We're gonna try getting up Sterling a bit and send a few runs. First runs of the season. Just trying to have some fun with the boys. Where we at right now?
Big boulder, shredding it, always. 11:24, again, after Thanksgiving.